Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Thank you so much. Here. So it's my 45th birthday today, all the way from Manila. I'm celebrating it here at Eden Nature Park in Davao. Hello. Going to the buffet area. Dessert table. Buffet area. This is their salad bar, picked just today from their garden. Kung masipag ka, you can actually cut it yourself here. You can choose whatever kind of vegetables that you have here. So this, you can cut it yourself. You can prepare your own there. And then you choose, go ahead. You choose whatever sauce you want. There you go. And there I have. Here in Eden, I've met wonderful ladies. Si Ma'am Angel, si Grace, at si Ma'am Judith. Ayan, they're from Tagum. Kaya pagpunta ko ng Tagum, Davao, ano yun ma'am?
Davao del Norte ang Tagum.
Davao del Norte. Next time punta ko kayo, ha? Ayan.
Facebook pala.
We'll see you in Facebook. Di tayo di kasha? Oo, di tayo kasha. Ayan. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. More blessings.
Thank you.
Two of our Davao trip, and we're still here at Eden Nature Resort, and I'm having coffee. Their coffee here is very, very flavorful. It's bold and it's nice. Tapos the dessert table there consists of sweetened banana, which is no more because I ate it. A jello-like leche flan.
Sarap.
And yeah, it's good. And a bunch of other sweet delicacies that you can really enjoy. So, have
Sarap
fun.
ba food? How about the food?
The food is good.
Okay.
It's yummy.
Okay. The food for me, simple yet masarap. Hindi ako ng problema kung ano pa bang kakainin ko. Salad is great kasi freshly picked from the farm, their farm. Kaya masarap ang food dito sa Eden. Kape na. Here at the restaurant meeting Chef DJ. Yan. Hindi siya DJ, chef siya. But his name is DJ. Hello, Chef. So, siya ang bahala dun sa masarap na kinain namin na buffet kaninang lunch. Mamaya, meron uli silang dinner. Yes. Pero hindi na kami magdi-dinner, busog na busog kami, Chef. Sobrang dami namin nakain. The food is awesomely, it's simple pero masarap, hindi nyo na pinaarte, no?
Filipino talaga.
Oo, yan. Kaya, bisitahin nyo ang Eden Nature Park here in Davao and taste the food that Chef DJ is preparing and the whole of their crew. Hello! The crew, hello! Ayun sila, busy sila. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay po.